children, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fine. So let's take the new topic, our industries. हम अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज़ के, अपने देश के इंडस्ट्रीज़ के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. तो रेडी हैं आप सब? आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. We use many products that are made from raw materials in different industries. What finished products do you use made from the following raw materials? तो आपने इन सब के लिए बताना है कि raw materials में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, तो आपको fine products मिलते हैं, right? Have you ever wondered where the clothes you wear come from? क्या कभी सोचा आपने इसके बारे में? और where the sugar you add in your milk comes from? These are made in factories using natural resources. When natural resources are transformed into more useful products with the help of human labor or machines, the process is called manufacturing or industry. So ये आपने कभी सोचा होगा कि कपड़े जो हम पहनते हैं कहाँ से आते हैं, जो चीनी हम घर में यूज़ करते हैं वो कहाँ से आती है, लाइक ये सब चीज़ें जो आपके पास पहुंचती हैं, इनके लिए हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज का यूज़ करते हैं और बनने के बाद ये आपके पास पहुंचती हैं. तो इनका जो ये प्रोसेस है वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बोलते हैं उसे, या फिर इंडस्ट्री बोलते हैं. द बेसिक मटेरियल्स यूज्ड इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स आर कॉल्ड रॉ मटेरियल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, iron ore is a raw material for the iron and steel industries, while sugarcane is a raw material for the sugar industry. Machines are required to convert these raw materials into finished or final goods. For example, cotton balls are processed and made into cotton clothes using machines. So, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, cotton balls बनाई जाती है ना, और वहाँ पे उसको यूज़ किया जाता है cotton clothes बनाने के लिए, जो machines पर बनते हैं. Different types of industries. Industries are classified into 3 types based on their size and the kind of machines, tools used. Cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Cottage industries, let's read about this first. These types of industries are very small. They are set up by people in their own homesteads, and they also require very few workers. They typically use locally available raw materials, machines are not required, and just simple tools are used. Handicrafts such as shawls, silk, sarees, pottery, basket, handmade toys, etc. are examples of products made by cottage industries. ये सारे products हैं वो cottage industry में बनाए जाते हैं, right? Small scale industries, these types of industries are small industries and they use small machines and employ more people than cottage industry. तो यहाँ पे वहाँ से ज़्यादा लोग काम करते हैं, and these type of industries produce items such as electrical and plastic goods, furniture, utensils, handloom, clothing, etc. Large scale industries, these type of industries are very big and they employ thousands of people. They also use large machines to produce goods in huge quantities. Cotton, iron and steel, autos, shipbuilding and locomotives are examples of large scale industries. These industries require a large supply of raw materials and they also require different sources of power to run the machines and a good transportation system to send the products to various locations, and this is why they are located in or around major cities. Distribution of industries in India बच्चों, various industries are located in many industrial areas or centers in India. Let's learn about some of them. Cotton textiles. India is one of the world's largest producers of cotton, and major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Punjab. Right? Silk textiles. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world. Okay, second largest producer. Silk textile mills are mostly located in Bengaluru, Mysore, Kanchipuram, Murshidabad and Bhagalpur. And now woolen textiles. India produces around 140 million kilogram of wool annually with major production centers in Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. Knowledge booster. Industrialization in India started in 1854 with the coming up of first cotton mill in Bombay. Iron and steel plants. India is home to several major iron and steel plants, contributing significantly to the country's economy. Most of the iron and steel plants are located near the coal and iron ore mining regions, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Rourkela and Salem. Jute mills. India is the home to approximate 75 jute mills, primarily located in West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Assam, Tripura, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Let's talk about now sugar mills. India is the world's second largest producer of sugar after Brazil. तो पहले नंबर पर ब्राज़ील है, दूसरे नंबर पर इंडिया है. Sugar mills are located in the sugarcane producing states such as Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Automobile factories. Let's read about this now. India is the home to vast number of automobile factories. Automobile factories are mostly located in Gurugram, Pune, Chennai and Jamshedpur. Railway equipment industries. These are the industries in India is a significant sector supporting the country's vast rail network. These industries are mostly located in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kapurthala and Perampur. Electronic goods industries. India's electronic goods industries is booming by government initiative like Make in India, Digital India. These industries are located in Bengaluru, Mumbai and Chennai and Hyderabad. These industries are located in Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai and Hyderabad. So now let's talk about shipbuilding industries. India's shipbuilding industries is grown rapidly, driven by government initiatives like the Make in India and the Sagarmala project. Ships are built at the shipyards of Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai and Vasco da Gama in Goa. Paper industry. This is the industry which is a significant contributor to the country's economy with over 800 paper mills. Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu are the main paper producing states. Now let's talk about aircraft manufacturing industries. These are the industries which are made in government owned factories in Bengaluru, Nasik, Hyderabad and Koraput are also providing employment. Try to answer बच्चों, you have to write T either or F for the following statements. So लिखिए. Knowledge booster. NEPA Limited in Nepanagar in Madhya Pradesh was the first newsprint paper mill in India. Let's wrap up बच्चों. When natural resources are transformed into more useful products with the help of human labor or machines, the process is called manufacturing or industry. Industries are classified into three types based on their size and kind of machines, tools used: cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Cottage industries are very small. They are set up by people in their own home states. Small scale industries are small industries. They use small machines and employ more people than cottage industries. Large scale industries are very big and they employ thousands of people. Silk textiles mills are mostly located in Bengaluru, Mysore, Kanchipuram, etc. Automobile factories are mostly located in Gurugram, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, etc. Checkpoint बच्चों, you have to just attempt these exercises now. Tick the correct answer. यहाँ पे 3 ऑप्शन दी गई हैं, उनमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन को चूज करें आप. Now we have B part, fill in the blanks with the correct statement. तो ये statements आपके चैप्टर में से उठाई गई हैं. चेक कीजिए इसका मेन पॉइंट, मेन वर्ड एंड फिल हियर. वी हैव मैच द फॉलोइंग. ए कॉलम को बी कॉलम के साथ मैच करना है आपको. आंसर द क्वेश्चंस इन ब्रीफ. वट आर द इंडस्ट्रीज, इनका आपको ब्रीफ में आंसर करना है. और कुछ क्वेश्चंस नीचे आपको दिए गए हैं ई पार्ट में, आपको उनका डिटेल में आंसर देना है. राइट. सो आप इनमें कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. ये क्वेश्चंस आपके चैप्टर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है, आप आराम से इसको डिटेल में लिख सकते हैं. Hordes, as you know that a large number of people in India are engaged in agricultural industries. Do you think that such industries will play a vital role in our country's progress, or we should focus on their industries too? Picture based questions. Observe the picture to your right and answer the following questions. Okay, वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, लाइफ स्किल. आपको वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के लिए इस क्वेश्चन को आपको रीड करना है और उसके बेस पे आपको आंसर करना है. नॉलेज ऑफ इंडिया, नेम एनी 3 इंडस्ट्रियल बेल्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. कोई 3 ऐसी इंडस्ट्रियल जो भी आपको ज़्यादा उसमें है उसके आपको इंडिया में उनके आपको नाम बताने हैं. Project activity, categorize the following into cottage, small scale and large scale industries. Utensils, carpets, weaving, plastic goods, garments, textile, grounding, floor and handicrafts, automobile parts, basket making, iron and steel mills, oil refineries, medicines, aircraft manufacturing, ship building, etc. तो इन सबको आपको कैटेगराइज करना है और तीनों कॉलम्स में लिखना है. मैप वर्क. ऑन एन आउटलाइन मैप ऑफ इंडिया, mark and label the place where the following industries are located. And बच्चों, while doing this, have fun, enjoy.